Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today, we're going to make a granny square. These are the materials that we're going to use. 5-ply milk cotton yarn, 3mm hook, scissors, and plastic needle. Let's begin! Make a magic circle. Chain 3. After the chain, make 2 double crochet. Another 2 chains. Three double crochet after 2 chains, and just do it until makagawa ka na ng 4 set. So it's been a while na pala guys since I uploaded the last tutorial video. And I'm really sorry about that because I have a very hectic schedule. So since wala naman akong ginagawa ngayon, na pag-decisionan ko na maggawa ulit ng tutorial video for you guys. And I hope na nakakatulong to sa inyo. And of course guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and leave a comment if you have any question or any suggestions. And also hit the like button, thank you, and I really appreciate that. If makapunta ka na sa end, just chain 2 again. And like what I said earlier guys, you just need to make 4 set. So after 2 chains, mag-slip stitch ka lang sa first 3 double crochet na ginawa mo. After that, let's check if square na siya. So it seems like okay naman, square naman yung gawa natin. So we're going to turn our project na. So, as you can see, merong hole sa corner. You just need to make 2 double crochet dyan sa corner since you already did 2 chains. After 2 double crochet, make 2 chains again and double crochet sa same hole na pinasukan natin kanina. So, ganun lang guys. Ang gagawin lang natin is to make 2 chains, 3 double crochet, and don't forget na every corner, ang gagawin nating 3 double crochet ay 2 set. And I just wanted to share this story. When I started to learn how to crochet, I only have, the alambre. Ayun lang yung gamit ko. Tapos parang shinip ko lang siya as hook. Kasi during that time, wala pa akong hook. And kapag may gusto akong gawin, gusto ko na talaga siyang gawin. Gusto ko na talaga siyang Bumili ako ng yarn sa may tindahan na tagto 20. Yung ipinang i-stitch doon sa mga notebooks, ayun yung binili ko. Para lang makapag-practice ako. Then, nakagawa ako ng headband. Kakapanood ko lang nun sa mga YouTube. Like this, tutorial din. And I think 2 years ago yon. Ayun, fortunately, nakagawa ako ng headband. Tapos parang nagandahan ako sa kanya. Parang bukod dito, meron pa ba akong kayang gawin? And ayun, yung second project ko is bucket hat. Hindi naman siya ganun kaganda, pero at least nag-i-improve na ako. Kaya guys, kung kaya ko, of course, kaya nyo rin yan. Medyo mahirap lang siya tingnan, pero kapag nasanay ka na, alam mo, kahit nakapikit, kayang-kaya mo nang gawin. At saka, hindi lang yun. Kapag nakagawa ka na yan, pwede mo na pagkakitaan. Pwede ka na magbenta ng mga projects, magawa ng commission. Like what I did nung college pa ako. Nagbebenta ako ng mga projects, ng mga bouquet. Meron akong Shopee, meron akong Facebook page. And kung gusto nyo i-visit guys, visit the Crochenie. Crochenie. Hindi na ako masyado nagpo-post, pero I'll try my best to post an update, new projects na pwede kong ibenta pa rin. And you know what guys, yung pagko-crochet ko, isa to sa mga nagbigay sa akin ng mga baon ko sa schools, mga pang projects ko na kailangan, pang print sa thesis, mga ganon. Kasi nabibigyan niya ako ng income. And guys, na-enhance niyo yung mind mo. Kasi makakapag-isip ka na, ano bang kulang if your project is not that good? And then, pagtapos ng ilang araw, mapapansin mo na parang nag-i-improve ka na. Parang ang gaganda na namang gawa mo. Marami nang bumibili. And that's really great, guys. Because crochet projects ngayon is very in demand na, diba? So guys, if you wanted to learn something and nagda-doubt ka na baka hindi mo kaya, just try it. Kasi wala namang mawawala if you're going to try it, diba? Tsaka sa start ka lang mahihirapan. After mo na malaman yung mga procedure na ginagawa dito, yung mga step by step, yung mga mathematics na kailangan pang ipag-plus-plus, you will make the best project talaga. Pero of course guys, huwag tayo magmadali. Learning takes time. And even though na marunong na ako mag-crochet, there's a lot of things that I need to improve pa. I'm not very magaling. So guys, if you're here and you're looking for a sign to start crocheting, this is your sign. Try it now. Of course, since you're here, maybe intriga ka na kung paano mag-crochet. So, mabalik na nga tayo sa ating project. So, it looks like square na nga talaga. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa dulo. So, we're going to lock this na. Alright. Almost done. Wow, diba? Mas maganda talaga yung finished product. Finish. I'm real sorry about my pronunciation kasi yung teeth ko is, kakagawa lang. Ayan, ikakat na natin yung ending. Yan. Pwede siyang pang coaster, and also if marami ka nang ginawang grande square, pwede siya maging, cardigan or bandana, something like that. Ayun, ang itatago na natin yung mga yarn na nakikita. And make sure guys na tagong-tago talaga siya, yung hindi talaga makikita. Okay? Alright, we're done. Thank you guys for watching. And see you sa next tutorial na gagawin natin. And don't forget to like this video or leave just a comment if you have any suggestion again. Bye for now and have a great day. Bye!